Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix system error in Windows 11. We will open settings from the Start menu. There in Apps, open Installed Apps. Now click on the three dots in Notepad to select Advanced Options. At the bottom, click on the Repair button. Wait for it to finish. Then click on Reset, confirm and wait for the app to be restored. Then right-click on Start and open the terminal as admin. Click on Yes to authorize. There, analyze the file system with the command sfc/scano, press Enter. You will see the analysis in real time. At the end, review the result of this process. Finally, restart your system to complete the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.